People are calling it the crisis of our time. And it is.
Climate change. Climate change.
Climate
Changes. Climate change.
But first, let's define climate change.
Climate change refers to long-term shift in temperature and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural, such as variation in a solar cycle.
Around the world calling for a concrete action. So, what exactly are we doing wrong and how to fix it? Bear with us, because this is important.
With burning more and more fossil fuels like oil and coal, which release carbon dioxide to power our homes, factories, airplanes, and cars.
And we are consuming more products from the animals that release another pollutant called methane.
And all those gases are in the air, and when the sunlight gets in the Earth's atmosphere, some of the heat gets trapped and the planet gets warmer.
We are discussing this topic because it has a relevance to the society and to ourselves, where the consequences of climate change now include intense drought, water scarcity, severe fire, rising sea levels, flooding, and declining biodiversity. It could affect our society through impacts on a number of different social, cultural, and natural resources. For example, climate change affects human health, infrastructure, and transportation system, as well as energy, food, and water supplies.
Climate change will make it harder for tribes to access safe and nutritious foods, including traditional food, and lack of access to safe drinking water and wastewater treatment in their communities. Some group of people will likely face greater challenges than others. Climate change may especially impact people who live in areas that are vulnerable to coastal storm, drought, and sea level rise, or people who live in poverty and immigrant communities. Climate change solution can deliver economic benefits while improving our lives and protecting the environment. We also have global frameworks such as the Sustainable Development Goals and UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. These categories of action are cutting emissions, adapting to climate change impacts.
Switching energy systems from fuels to renewables like solar and wind will reduce the emission driving climate change, but we have to start right now. In order to increase carbon storage or avoid greenhouse gas emission in landscapes worldwide, we have to conserve, restore, and improve management of the land.